let's take a look here. So we have the sound, the tongue flat on the low position, and the mouth open widely. And we have the short a and the long a. Okay, the long one, so and the short one Okay. Okay, so the long sound, the is a long sound, the n is a short sound. An.
The first one is long A,
Mhm.
and the second one is long M.
Mhm.
So the first one is an, the second one is an.
It's good, it's good. Now we move to story. Okay, so here we have Nam is a name. Okay, Nam.
Nam.
Okay, Ba.
Ba.
Ba is grandmother. Okay, and
Yeah.
okay, we have An.
An.
Okay, also a name. So we have eat.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, and
Cam. An. Cam.
Okay, cam is orange. Oranges. So
Yeah.
Nam
Yeah.
eats
Correct.
oranges.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's try. So
Yeah.
Nam ăn cam.
Cam. An. Cam. An. An. Cam.
Okay.
Bà ăn cam. Nam và An ăn cam. Nam và bà ăn cam. An và bà ăn cam.
Okay.
Nam và An và bà ăn cam.
Okay, it's good, it's good.